Welcome back. Well, for the markets, it's turning out to be a bit of a choppy session, so good time then to get in some opinion. We have with us Prateek Agrawal, the business head and CIO of Ask Investment Managers. Prateek, hi, welcome to the show. Well, it's been a bit choppy for the markets the past few days. Right now, we managed to recover with the Bank Nifty up around 0.4%. But what do you think is probably concerning the markets at this point? Is it just caution ahead of the FOMC meet?
A few things. One, earlier we thought inflation would take time to revive. It's reviving earlier than expected, and bond prices have reacted to it globally and in India. So, with the values of businesses linked to bond prices, they have fallen. So, market is pricing in that. The second thing is this is also part of the year wherein it coincides with the date of the advance tax, etc. So some liquidity goes out of the market. And of course, year-end adjustments, you book profit somewhere, pay taxes, etc. So that kind of activity historically has seen this period a bit more choppy versus other periods. So I think a lot of this is happening. Yes, as bond yields stabilize globally, the currency is stabilized globally. The equity markets in India would also be stabilizing. We continue to be positive on the markets, given that the outlook on Q4, which is just around the corner, is strong. That was the base is the first COVID hit quarter. And then, on top of that, you will have Q1, which should again be super strong, given that that was the lockdown quarter base of last year. So, idea is to stay positive. Idea is that use the dips to, maybe change portfolios a bit or stay put.
Okay. Well, Prateek, what exactly would your opinion be on all of the IPOs which have hit the market this week? We have a varied range from the auto space. We have chemicals, we have Nazara Technologies and a couple of others as well, a small finance bank. Anything that you're recommending to your investors amongst these?
So we invest on our own. We don't recommend to anybody. One thing that I would say on IPOs is that over the last period, last 1 year plus, we are seeing reasonably good quality of businesses getting listed. Technology is a completely new space that has now started to come to the market. Fast growing space with holding, a lot of promises for the future. Where we do get stuck is valuations. It is almost like people are saying, I have done this and, that valuation is with me. I'm going to do this in the future. And for what I am going to do, you pay me some money. So that is the part, frankly, where we do get stuck in most cases.
Oh, absolutely. Prateek, hi, good morning. Prashant here. Where else are you sort of finding opportunities, Prateek? Anything new come your way? Anything you're exploring?
No, so we have been discussing this, but in terms of our portfolio changes, what we have done is to increase weightages in chemicals, India manufacturing, lending financials, now more on the banking side versus NBFCs that we were preferring earlier. And yes, some of these unique internet properties and businesses which sell over the net, because that is something which could continue to grow as a channel faster than other channels.
All right, thanks very much, Prateek. Appreciate you joining in. Quick conversation today, but it's always a pleasure having you with us here on the show. Prateek Agrawal there with his perspective on markets. The market's up about 10 points on the Nifty by